Hello everyone, I'm so happy that you liked my first video where I taught you how to clean your MacBook cache quickly. Thanks for your lovely comments and support. With full enthusiasm, I'm back with another video where I will tell you how you can use your MacBook trackpad like a pro. So without wasting any further time, let's jump onto the video. Now you have to choose System Preferences from your dock panel or just type System Preferences in search bar. It will open a dialog box where you can find trackpad option. Click on it. Then it will display tabs like point and click, scroll and zoom and more gestures. Let's start with point and click option. Make sure it is selected before working on it. Once you select it, you will get 3 further options. First one is lookup and data detectors. With this setting on, you can use your 3 fingers on the trackpad to look out for dictionary or web browser search. Another option is secondary click. Here you can make use of your 2 fingers to open the dialog box, which generally open on a normal right click. You can also set the bottom left of your trackpad to work as a right click button and vice versa. The third option is tap to click. It is a normal click to activate any application web page or switch between the pages. Last but not the least, you can also control your mouse movements through tracking speed slider. If you will set the slider to extreme left, it will slow down your mouse movement, and at the extreme right, it would be the fastest. Now let's move on to the second tab, which is scroll and zoom, basically used for controlling or resizing the images. So let's see what options Mac Trackpad has provided here. The first one is scroll direction, which is generally used for setting the scrolling with your finger movements. You need to make sure that you are using 2 fingers at a time for scrolling. Another option is zoom in or zoom out. We use this option when we want to magnify our images. To achieve this, you have to use your 2 fingers at a time. You just need to drag a distance between your fingers. If you will move your fingers apart, it will zoom in, and if you move your fingers close to each other, it will zoom out. In our third option, which is Smart Zoom, you can zoom in your image or screen content to a maximum limit on single double tap. But you need to make sure that you use your 2 fingers simultaneously. Now let's talk about the fourth option, and that is rotate. You can rotate your images clockwise and anti-clockwise by activating the rotate option. For this you have to use your 2 fingers, and you need to move your both the fingers in a circular manner, both clockwise and anti-clockwise. It's not the only thing which trackpad is offering. There is one more tab for setting gestures. The first option is for switching between the pages, and you can do it easily by just swiping your fingers left and right. Either you have to use your 2 fingers or 3 fingers or both. If you want to switch between multiple full screen apps, then you can make use of second option. Here you can set it for 3 fingers or 4 fingers. After setting this, you just need to swipe your fingers. If you want to access your notification center instantly, just swipe left from right side of the trackpad by 2 fingers. Moving on to other option, it will help us to open all our active tabs or screen on single swipe. You just have to swipe upwards from the bottom of the trackpad. You can either set it for 3 fingers or 4 fingers. Suppose at a time you need to switch between multiple apps on a single screen. Swipe downwards with either 3 or 4 fingers from top of the trackpad. To access all the apps instantly, you just have to pinch on the trackpad with your thumb and fingers. At any point of time, you can access your desktop screen by spreading your thumb and fingers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's it for the day. Let's meet with some another cool stuff in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.